Hello everyone, I'm Pooja from Shimoga. Basically, I'm from Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department from JNNC Shimoga. I joined Qspiders at the month of August 16, and I came through incubation, which is Qspiders only selected for me to came here to learn the software testing. I chose software testing because I'm from non-IT, so that's why I have a fear of coding and all. But after that, I joined for Qspiders. Then Pradeep sir, Shankar sir, Lavanya sir, and Murli sir, they taught me in a very good way about Java, which was took by Shankar sir. I extremely want to say thank you so much for Shankar sir because he taught me Java from each and every line from scratch, and I thorough with the concepts right now, and I'm very confident about myself that I can able to code, I can able to teach Java to some of my friends also. And the software testing was took by Pradeep sir. He was one of the best in the Qspiders, and I want to say thank you so much for Pradeep sir also. And about entire Qspiders, it was a great journey for me, and I got selected for a very good MNC company right now with a good package, and I'm extremely happy. And I want to say thank you for all the team members of Qspiders. Thank you.